Hi and welcome back to my channel. I did a little shopping this weekend in store. I haven't been into the mall for quite a while, but I did go to my favorite store, Bloomingdales. I actually went for an appointment. We set up an appointment. We thought that would be more expedient and a little bit more safe. So we set up an appointment with a stylist, and we actually were there for my husband. There were some items that he needed to see if they had it in store because I was not able to get them online. So we went in, we're in California, so we were masked. Social distancing was great. It wasn't packed. And we took care of his business. We did run through Louis Vuitton, and I tried on a bag, as you saw on my IG. And I kind of have that in my brain, but no, that's not what I bought. Let's see. Oh, and on the way out, we decided to look at some shoes. So I have had new trainers on the brain. My Gucci ones got really scuffed up, and I cannot clean it out. I still wear them, but they don't look cute at all. Not in my opinion. I do have a video on here about how quickly this off-white color got dirty, and I've tried everything. If you guys have any kind of tips on how to clean sneakers, please let me know. If you have some home remedy or something like that, because I've tried different shoe kits, scrubs. I even tried the Mr. Clean on it. I guess it's kind of my bad, but I thought I was doing okay by buying off-white. And yeah, anyway. So I've been looking at shoes, and I've been looking at the Louis trainers that have come out and some that are about to come out, and nothing was really exciting me. So the stylist kind of got a feel for our taste because she took us throughout the whole store, and I think her taste is similar to mine, and we figured that out in Louis Vuitton. So I said, yeah, I do have some trainers on the brain, and she says, oh, I think I have a pair that you'll like. So this is the first time I've ever bought anything, I believe, from this brand. I don't think I have anything, clothes, shoes, bags, or anything from this brand. So I saw these, I fell in love. I saw the series name. I was like, oh yeah, this is meant to be, because it's the name of one of my favorite places I've ever lived. So that's what I got. So this is the medium brown bag. And like I said, this is my first time buying this brand. So it's Choo. And it has, obviously, you get your care booklet. The little bag for your shoes. I haven't opened these since I bought it, so this is... I was waiting to do the video for you guys. But, oh yes, they also come with the Choo laces, which I think is kind of cool. So you have 2 sets of laces. So this is from the Hawaii line. And I've been seeing some shoes from the Hawaii line in my Instagram timeline, but I hadn't seen these. So here they are. And you can see they have little stars on the front. So these are the tie-dye Choos. So there's little star embellishments right here, and then on the front. And it's got like most of my favorite colors are in here. The blue, the purple, little hints of a reddish to it. And I was like, oh my God, these are me. These are me. So I tried them on for comfort and feel, and I liked them. So there you go. This is what the bottom looks like. The sole. Got this box here under my arm, so there we go. And then on the back, it's kind of set in, but it says Choo on the back. But yeah, these are cool. I mean, I like white shoes, but I like that these have the tie-dye on there. So hopefully I won't have as much problem with wear. And there's a little Jimmy Choo right there too. So it's Jimmy Chooed out. It's got some bling, which speaks to me, of course, because I love my bling. As you see my nails, I'm always blingy. And I love the tie-dye colors. It just looks happy. These shoes look happy to me. I'll photograph these, of course. These will be on the gram. There'll be mod shots. But yeah, check out the line. It's called Hawaii. And like I said, I saw it on Instagram, but I didn't see this pair when I was looking through all of the shoes. But it's a whole line. And Hawaii's my favorite place. So these shoes make me happy. They just look happy. I need happiness. And it's from my favorite store, as you know. So I did earn 3 times the points on these, which gave me a $50 card to use on my next purchase at Bloomingdale. So that's why I like shopping there so much, because I have a lot of money that I can spend, that I can save there right now with all the shopping that I've been doing. So so if you're looking for new trainers, let me know what you're looking for, because I do know that LV has some more shoes coming out. I think I posted some shoes 2 weeks ago. I had received some photos with shoes that are coming out. So if you saw something that you liked from LV, or some Nikes or Adidas or whatever brand, tell me about it below, because hopefully we might be able to get out and have some more fun this summer, and that's going to require a couple pair of shoes. So let me know, and that way I can check at my favorite store and see if they carry them. But yeah, so that's my little small unboxing, is my new shoes. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and here, and also on Twitter. So I'll see you guys again soon.